Look at this really awesome and well-made couch tray that you can actually put on your couch arm like this, adjust it, and that's it. And you have plenty of room to do many things. For example, you have this for like a coaster for your actual drink or your mug. If you have this, I'm going to show you that in a few seconds. Then you have a rotating phone holder, which is really awesome. And then you have room for your snacks here, and for sure a glass of wine if you want. The surface is made of bamboo and it's really well polished, and it has these edges right here in case that you drop something so it won't spill out of the actual tray. And then you can put your snacks just like that, or you can put your mug, and you can see that it actually has the handle holder as well. And then you have the rotating cell phone holder. And then if you have a glass of wine or something, you can put it right here and it will be safe. And this thing is not moving at all. You can see that it's pretty well adjusted to the arm of my couch. Actually looks really good. It's super convenient for binge watching those really good and favorite TV shows or movies. And for sure, yeah, it works great. It's really good, well polished, really nice surface. And then I'm gonna leave you so I can actually jump on my couch and watch some TV. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.